Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one, not necessarily just because the price and the day was red, but from a technical point of view, the price has now broken down below what had been a very historic level from the support side of things, and that's this area right here at the $2.10 mark. I mean, you go through the history of things real quick, and you can see acted as support, acted as support, acted as support, acted as support, and then even right there, if you look closely enough, acted as support before the final 30 minutes of the day, which is now broken down below that area. So yeah, it was already a bearish day in the sense of it was red, sure, but from the technical point of view, I mean, it's gotten very rough, from, like I said, breaking down below that area, and that also leads to now the first key level of resistance if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So on any attempted turnaround, that $2.10 mark is now going to be that main area of resistance that you'll want to see the price, battle back above. If the price can get up above $2.10, next key level at that point would be that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 225. And you can just see here, I mean, that has been a very stubborn level, just not letting the price up above it. But like I said, before you even really focus on that 50-period moving average, prices first got to be able to prove itself by getting up above $2.10. As far as next key level of support is concerned, nothing fancy here. All eyes will be on the very famous, the very well-known 200-period moving average, which on my chart denoted there by that pink line, and that's currently valid at, we'll just call it the $2 mark. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching that $2 mark going forward, rightfully so. Certainly a very important level, and we'll see how this one plays out on Tuesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.